What's up, guys? Today we got a pretty big adventure going on. We're going 2 hours south to Naples, Florida to a car event to see one person, Akira Nakai, to see a RWB build happen right in front of us. So let's go, let's get in the car, let's get going. It's gonna be sick. All right. Just wanted to give a real quick overview and history kind of where we're going and the event we're going to and kind of how rare it is really. So Akira Nakai started RWB back in '97 in Japan. It actually came to be where he came across a Porsche that was kind of at the end of his life. He just decided to do what he does now to it, tear it up, make it his own. Around 2000s, it started coming over to America. It turned into this spectacle, this event where, you know, somebody would pay to bring them in and to sit down and have an open area where this could be done. And then after it started going, it caught on. A lot of people liked it, thought it was great. And then recently, within the last probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, it kind of, you know, turned into this huge polarized event where people either love it or hate it. Let's go check this out. Let's see what it's all about. What's up, guys? We just got here and it is awesome. Let's go inside and check it out. How much for the shirt?
Shirts are 40.
How much?
40.
Oh. So bad news, guys. I went to go get some of that merch to pick out the XXL RWB Naples, Florida shirt. Would have been cool. He's gonna be signing stuff later, and it was weird. The guy kind of in the corner bought it, I guess, and the lady didn't tell me, and I guess I didn't get it, and it was a second of oh no, somebody just bought it and I told you it was for sale. So that was kind of heartbreaking. I was gonna get it and have him sign it. He's actually doing signatures later on. I'm not sure how much they'll be, but yeah, it's all good. I don't know who has the Rolls Royce. It's a very nice car, beautiful vehicle, but it is definitely blocking me in. And the cops are here.
That way one of us could be here just to make sure people leave it.
We are at the racetrack up the road, Rolls Royce booth. Got a drink, we're ready to go. Let's head back and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we're back. The event went great. It was an awesome time. I'm so glad that I went to it. Honestly, it was one of those things where you just kind of had to do it to experience it. and you don't just have it happen all the time. I had fun. It was a long trip there in the GTR. It was a long trip back in the GTR. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you love everything I do. So thank you again for everything. Like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching. See ya.